For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In today's clash of the giants, Chennai Super Kings will take on Kolkata Knight Riders in Game 49 of the 2020 IPL season. The massive clash will be hosted at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Kolkata Knight Riders are looking to win the fixture in hopes to seal the spot in the playoffs. On the other hand, a win for CSK won't matter much for the team as it is on its way out of the tournament. Chennai Super Kings have registered 4 wins from 12 matches and are coming into the game on the back of a convincing 8-wicket win against RCB. On the other hand, Kolkata Knight Riders have won and lost 6 matches coming off of a defeat against Kings 11 Punjab. In the last encounter between CSK and KKR, latter had come out on the top after pulling back things in the middle overs of the game. However, Chennai still beat KKR in the head-to-head tally of matches played in IPL. Chennai Super Kings and Kolkata Knight Riders have played against each other on 22 occasions in the cash-rich tournament, and it's the men in yellow who hold an upper hand. The Chennai-based franchise has won 13 games, while KKR emerged victorious 8 times. One game between the two sides has resulted in a tie or no result. Chennai Super Kings will rely on the duo of Shane Watson and Francois du Plessis. While Watson has been struggling to find his form, du Plessis has been playing pretty well. Chennai will also depend on Ruturaj Gaikwad, who played brilliantly against RCB. Kuri and Chahar duo will be the key for CSK as the players shared RCB wickets between them during CSK's last encounter. For Kolkata Knight Riders, Shubman Gill and Ian Morgan are the key players as the skipper looks to lead the team from the front. In form, Lockie Ferguson will also boost Kolkata Knight Riders' bowling abilities. KKR will also bank on Sunil Narine to put those valuable runs on the scoreboard. When it comes to the last 5 matches, CSK hold an advantage over KKR. The Chennai-based franchise has won 3 games while KKR squeezed in a couple of wins. No game between the two superstar sides has resulted in a tie or no result. A win today for Kolkata Knight Riders will bolster their chances of qualifying for the 2020 IPL playoffs. As for Chennai, a win won't matter as the team has already on the way out. However, Chennai Super Kings might look to win the last couple of games to go out in style.